Hey everyone, in this week's video we're going to take a homemade stone and tweak this design that's featured in another video to make it for breast cancer awareness in pink ribbons. I had a few bubble holes in this rock, so I used spackle to fill them in. There's a link in the description to show you how to do that. Now we're going to magically base coat our rock black and start out by drawing a line down the center of the stone with a chalk pencil. And then I'm using this really large dotting tool and just tracing the two circles from the Yin Yang design there. I'm then erasing the center line. All you have to do is take a damp paper towel and the chalk pencil wipes right off. And then I'm going to create kind of that backwards S shape for the Yin Yang design. For the dotted background in this design, I picked out 3 different shades of pink and then white paint. Let's get started. So to start, we're going to put dots down around the 2 circles and the backwards S design, alternating between the 3 colors of pink and the white paint. Now I'm going to take a pink Thule Art acrylic paint pen and I'm going to start lining out my pink ribbons in the design. So I'm going to start with one of the circles. It's going to go right in the center, and then I'm going to randomly place some pink ribbons in the other side of the design. This paint pen is not showing up quite as brightly as I wanted to on the black background, so I am going to come back with some brighter pink paint later in the video. Now I'm going to take a white Poscadoo pen and write 3 words on the rock: hope, faith, and love. I'm also going to add the little notches to each one of these letters to give them some nice definition. Now I'm going to brighten up those pink ribbons with some fluorescent pink paint. And right here I'm using a disposable eyeliner brush to apply this paint. It's a great tool to put fine line detail onto your stones. Now I'm going to take some folk art hologram glitter and add that to the pink ribbons as well, because I really want them to stand out in this design. Now I'm going to take that eyeliner brush and some black paint and just kind of clean up the edges around the pink ribbons. Sometimes the glitter overlaps onto the black paint, and I just want to clean it up so the lines are very clean around the pink ribbons. Now comes the fun part of creating that dotted background. I'm starting here with a larger dotting tool and then alternating some random dots of all 3 colors of pink. Once you have a few dots of each color, then you can move down to a smaller dotting tool and repeat the process over again. You'll see that I'm not using the white paint just yet because I didn't want it to drown out the words that are on the rock that are in white paint. I've also heard some people say that dotting randomly like this is very challenging for them because it's not in a specific pattern, but I would challenge you to give it a try. It's actually really relaxing and it makes a really cool effect once you get it finished. Now that I'm down to my smallest dotting tool, I am going to use the white paint and kind of surround the pink ribbons with the white paint so it adds a little bit of pop for the pink ribbons to show up. And then I'm going to go back and do the same thing around the words with different shades of pink so it helps the words and the pink ribbons pop out of this design. Breast cancer has affected quite a few people in my circle of family and friends, so ladies, please make sure to keep up on your self-checks and your mammograms and stay healthy because early detection saves lives. And that is your PSA for the day, and I'm going to try and practice what I preach also. I really hope that this rock finds a special person at just the right moment when they need to see it. I'm a firm believer that these rocks find the right people more than us people finding the rocks. I'd love to see what yours looks like if you choose to do this design. Some people have been sharing what they've done from some of my videos on Facebook and Instagram, and it's really cool to see how people put their own personal spin on it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.